Hey Gino, my name is Devin, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So you're probably wondering why I'd be doing this and what's in it for me. Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring somebody is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I have found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free, has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Devin, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave to you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now I'm going to show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition. So the first one is content. So Google tends to like to see a website's homepage have 1,500 to 2,000 words, which helps with the optimization process. And looking at your website, it seems like you have about 150 to 200 words. So now we'll take a look at your competition's website. So we'll scroll down and see what kind of content they have. A little bit there. So it seems they probably have around 700 to 800 words, which is very beatable because you're not too far behind them. And also another important part of content are keywords. So a keyword is anything somebody might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Google likes information, and in your content you can strategically place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be put in front of when people search for it. So for example, if you're a plumber in Oceanside, you want to tell Google that you are a plumber in Oceanside so that it can tell its users. So an example of a keyword on your website could be, instead of the Southern California, because Southern California is a pretty big area, you could put Thousand Oaks, so it would help you rank for that specific area. And so another example of a keyword would be carpet cleaning Thousand Oaks. And here's a tool that helps analyze keywords, and you can see that this carpet cleaning Thousand Oaks is searched 150 times per month. So if you were number 1, you'd be definitely getting a good amount of clicks from that. Now we're going to look at citations. So the second most important thing I want to talk to you about, and we call this the Google Map Pack or the maps, and I'll pull that up real quick. The Google Map Pack is right here, these 3 top businesses. So this is where you would list your business name, address, and phone number, and these are also known as citations. So citations are anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. They are placed in directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, BBB, and others you may have heard of. Excuse me. There are thousands of these directories you can list your business in. So if I were you, I would figure out what directories Gorilla Clean are in, put myself in those same ones, and add more. These are what help you rank in this map pack, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. The idea is beginning to add more citations to your business to help increase your online presence and allow you to be seen more often by both people and Google. So once Google sees you more than these competitors, the ones right here on the map pack, the more likely it is to rank you above them. So the third and final thing I'm going to talk about with you today are backlinks. So these backlinks, or we call them link juice, are what give your site authority. And you can see right here that we searched for carpet cleaning Thousand Oaks up top, and you are not ranking number 1. Yelp is, and then followed by one of your competitors, Zero Res SoCal. So this is where you want to be. You want to be at the top. And to get there, you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like the link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's kind of like a popularity contest. But that's not all. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So for example, if you have a tile or wood cleaning service linking to you, that would be more effective than a link like Pizza Hut, because Google knows that you do not sling pizzas for a living. So here's Ahrefs. This is a monthly paid tool subscription that is great for checking out the backlinks that a site offers. So here we can see that you have 175 backlinks, so you have 175 other websites ranking to you. And then here's your competition site also on Ahrefs. And as you see, they have 527 websites linking to them. So that's definitely a big factor of why they are ranking above you in the Google organic search right at the top. So as you can see, I'll show you. I'll click in these. Here we go. So here, for example, so not all links are created equal. So this pauldavis.com has a strength of 67, and one like this has 0. So these are more authoritative, and these are the ones you want to go after. So what you could do is go into all of these websites and submit your links to. Some of them are paid. You have to pay monthly, and some of them are free. So you could go in there and add the same ones that your competition has, and also add more, which will definitely boost your rankings and help you eventually beat them with time. So once again, we went over content. So you should shoot for at least 1,500 words. We went over citations and the Google Map Pack. So this is where a large amount of clicks are generated on Google, and then link juice. So the more relevant sites pointing at you guys show Google you are the authority. So if you implement these strategies today, you can become #1 across Google with time. So with this, you can either use this information I provided for you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that, or you could take the most effective route and save yourself the time and give me a call at 805-750-7008. Once again, my name is Devin, and my number is 805-750-7008. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.